Hey you all curious minds. Welcome to part 2 of top 10 most powerful functions of Excel. If you haven't watched the first part 1 wherein we covered first 5 functions, then I'm gonna link it in I button. Please go and watch it. It's really an informative video. Let's just begin with our today's first function. First function is choose function. Choose function chooses value from the given set of data. It selects values from number 1 to 254. If we have been given the name of days and if we want to find out what day is at the number 5 position, then we want to use the choose function is equal to choose bracket open, index number would be the number. So I have given the cell reference, comma, the value. We'll have to select each value independently and fix it. If we wanna drag and drop it to another cell, choose each one of the cells like this, then close the bracket and press enter. Here you have got the number 5th is Thursday. If we change it to 1, then it would become the Sunday. Let's take up another example. This is how we use choose function in combination with another function. Let's see, we have been given the sale of these 4 months and I want to have sum of any one month. Then how would I do it? I'll press sum, then bracket, then I'm gonna put choose which, if I want to have the sum of the month number 2, then I'll reach select, or I will give it a cell reference. I have given here a cell reference, then press comma, again select all the period. In this particular formula, the array will work because we are using the choose function in combination with sum function. Comma, again select the array independently, close the bracket, again bracket, enter. So here we have got the sum of the sales of the month number 2 here. Our next function is date function. As the name suggests itself that it provides a sequential data which represent a particular date. Here's the tip. The year in this particular function will not go beyond 1900 and it does not go above 9999. Let's have an example. Let's make a date out of these data. I'll press date, comma, then I need to select year, then month, and then day. Bracket close, enter, and drag it to other cells. Here you have all the dates. If I've been given to have a date after 1.5 years, then how will I do it? I will put date, let's say 2019, right? Then what I'm gonna do, I'll make an bracket open plus 1 year. So I'll add 1, comma, then I need to add further 6 months because it's asking for 1.5 years. Then month plus how much? 6, comma, 20 days. Press enter. Here you have got the date after 1.5 years after 20th August 2019. Our next function is days function. Days function is very simple. It just returns the number of days between the two dates. If I want to find out the days between these 2 days, then how can I do it? Place days function, then end date, this is the end date, start date, this is the start date, bracket close, enter, drag and drop. Number 4 function is find function. Find function locates the text within another text string. Because if I want to find out the place at which P is placed in this text, then how will I do it? I'll press equals to find, then find text. What text I want to find? I want to find P, comma, within what text? This, And start number, it is optional, so I'm gonna drop it. Press this. So it is saying that P is being placed at the position 3. Yes. Practically, we use find function in combination with another function. Here I am gonna show you how we can use this in addition with mid function. We have been given this data and I need to find out the name out of this data. So how will I do this? I will do this using the function mid in combination with find. So is equal to mid text this one. Then it is asking for the start number. So I'll place 1 because I want to start from the first. Then number 4, here I will put my find function. Find, what find? Please find what dash, because I want the text just before the dash. So find dash, close the bracket. Then within what text? Within this text. Okay. And start number would be 1 because again I want it to figure out my text from the start, comma. Then because I want the text written right before the dash, then I'll place -1, close the bracket, press enter. And here we have got our result. Drag and drop it to this. And here are all of the names of the equipments. Our last function is index function. Index function returns a value or reference to a value from within a table or a data range. The best combination of index is with match function, since it becomes the most flexible lookup function. It works both ways, either horizontally and vertically. This must be on your list if you are looking for a career in advanced Excel. If I wanna find what fruit is at B6 cell number, then how would I do it using index function? Index array would be this whole data set, ignoring the header. Then what would be the row number? Row number would be 3. Then comma. Then what would be my column number? It would be 2. Close the bracket, enter. Now let's have an example of match and index function. I want to look for Ujjwal Dati and how much sale he has made. So I'm gonna do index. I'll give it an array. This is the whole array. Then what I wanna match, what I wanna have in my row number. In row number I want to have my employee's name or the salesperson name. So I'll put a match function here. Match. Then what would be the lookup value? This cell reference, comma. What would be my lookup array? It would be salesperson array, comma. I want an exact match, so I'll put 0. Close the bracket. Then what result I want? I want the result of this sales. So I'll put what is the column number? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the number. Close the bracket, press enter, and here you have got your sales made by Ujjwal Dati. That's all for this video. I hope you have found this helpful. If so, do consider subscribing my channel. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.